Hey there, motorcycle enthusiasts. Welcome back to Go's Moto channel. Today, we've got something special for all you motocross enthusiasts out there, the 2024 Suzuki RM-Z250. In this video, we're going to take an in-depth look at this beast of a bike and see what makes it stand out from the crowd. So, let's dive right in. First impressions matter, and the 2024 RM-Z250 certainly doesn't disappoint in the looks department. Suzuki has given this bike a fresh new design, with sharp lines and bold graphics that scream performance. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. The RM-Z250 comes equipped with a potent 250 cubic centimeters, 4-stroke, single-cylinder engine. This engine is known for its reliability and punchy power delivery, making it a solid choice for both amateur and professional riders. The RM-Z250 has a long-standing reputation as the best handling 250 on the track. The twin-spar aluminum frame and hydroformed swingarm carry a KYB-supplied suspension that includes a coil spring fork and a shock with 4-way damping force adjustment. Strong brakes and ergonomically shaped bodywork help keep the rider maneuver the RM-Z250 as it carves up the racetrack. I had the chance to take this bike out on the track, and let me tell you, it's an absolute blast to ride. The suspension setup feels plush and soaks up bumps effortlessly, giving you confidence as you tackle the toughest terrain. When it comes to handling, the RM-Z250 offers precise and responsive control. The ergonomic layout of the handlebars and controls allows you to easily maneuver through tight corners and take on jumps with confidence. Suzuki has also packed some impressive technology into the RM-Z250. It features electronic fuel injection for optimal throttle response and power delivery, ensuring you have the right amount of grunt when you need it most. Now, let's talk about maintenance. Suzuki has a reputation for building bikes that are not only fast but also reliable. The RM-Z250 is no exception, with a focus on durability and easy maintenance, making it a great choice for riders who want to spend more time on the track and less time in the workshop. In conclusion, the 2024 Suzuki RM-Z250 is a solid contender in the world of motocross. It combines impressive power, handling, and durability into one sleek package. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting out, this bike is worth considering. Thanks for joining us today for this review of the 2024 Suzuki RM-Z250. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Go's Moto channel for more exciting motorcycle reviews and motocross adventures. Until next time, ride safe.